Okay, so here's where we are in this step of the process. Still cleaning the gasket off here, just with that stuff there. And same with this one. Getting her there a little bit. Yeah. But I saved the oil filter. I might have to use that thing. I can't find one. I know, you know, this motor is from 1986. So, but here's the carburetor. It's pretty awesome. After I cleaned it up, it's made in Japan. Made in Japan, and it says right there, Japan, Japan. And then on the other side, sorry, look at that. It's a Mikuni. Can you believe that? Damn it, that's a Mikuni carburetor. I've never had a lawnmower with a Mikuni carburetor, you know. But the thing is, this thing's from Japan, you know, so I think it's worth trying to fix anyway, you know. But I don't want to put too much into it. But some of this stuff so far has been pretty, you know, easy. But thing is, you know, I've always had Datsuns and Nissans, you know, but my first car was a Datsun 510 1972 four-door, so I learned how to work on them because when I got mine, I got it $500 and it needed everything, brakes and I mean just everything, and I learned how to work on it, and I always liked everything from Japan. And the carburetor I had on that thing was a Mikuni that I got aftermarket. A buddy of mine gave it to me for $50 and was like, dude, you'll get a little bit more horsepower if you put this thing on. And I did, and I couldn't believe it. I mean, that thing was slow as molasses. And then I put on that Mikuni carburetor, and yeah, I think I could get a third gear chirp, you know, with 5 people in the car in high school. Now everybody was skinny then, so, but yeah, anyway, that's rambling.